The fact that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained as he was born from his mother is not a good thing for us. If we were to remain as we were born from our mother, it would mean ignorance, lack of wisdom, lack of knowledge, and lack of culture for us. Because what does it mean to remain as one was born without developing oneself? But for our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is a miracle. Why is it a miracle? He brought such a Quran, narrated hundreds of thousands, millions of hadiths, expressed knowledge, yet he did not learn from any teacher. Since he did not know how to read or write, he did not read books either. This became the greatest proof that revelation came to him from Allah Ta'ala and that he was informed by his Rabbi. Because minds are astonished, that is, they are left in admiration. In every field in medicine, there are volumes of books called Tibb Nabawi, in literature, in genealogy, in the sciences of lineage, and in all the matters in which the Arabs of that time were advanced. He possessed knowledge that left them all in awe and spread knowledge. No one has been able to bring forth anything like it. What does Imam Busiri, the author of Qasida-i Burda, say? He draws attention to this. In an unlettered person, that is, in a person who has never read or written, having such knowledge is enough as a miracle for you. If that is not enough for you, then hell is enough. There were already no people of the book in the society of ignorance in which he lived. There were only a few people who knew how to read and write. And for an orphan child to be so well-mannered, so disciplined, to have the greatest morality, his morality has been spoken of and will be spoken of until the day of judgment. This is enough as a miracle for you, he says. That is why our Prophet said, I am the unlettered Prophet.